This is Fishy Productions.
And Golden Bird Games.
And I'm the Arctic Wolf with the cheetah pet.
And I am the pig with the hamster head.
And we're going to be doing the Haunted Forest Party. So I have an announcement to make. My channel is going to have a new channel with like online games and stuff. It's called Ace Gamer by Fishy Productions, capital A and capital G.
And you could, or should we just write it on the screen so we can see it? So this can sort of get a visual.
Yeah, we'll write that up at the end of this.
Yeah. So, and you can also look in the description of this video, so we'll put it in.
So let's look around.
Okay.
The spooky old phone.
I guess that's that song playing.
Yeah. Ooh, gravestones, candles,
Books. So scary. We don't want to.
tomb, coffin.
Okay. Let's go. Oops. Go onwards.
So I'm gonna want to show you this. I guess it's like a new feature in like all the parties. They have now like a separate area for buying clothing and stuff.
Oh, so you can like preview it?
Yeah, like instead of it just showing like the Yeti mask.
It shows all different colors on the bottom.
Yeah, like green.
Try the cat ears. Oh, it actually comes in different colors. Ooh, that actually doesn't look bad on your character.
True.
Maybe you should have it for the remainder of the episode.
Okay, so
let's go to the fogginess.
Oh, by the way, this is a Halloween special on our channel. Not much up here. Just a bunch of trees.
What's even the point of this party again?
Usually there's like areas you can go.
To collect stuff? Like
like
prizes?
fun, like areas where you can play games and stuff in parties. This is just shopping. I'm gonna rate this party probably about like a 2.5 grade.
Yeah.
What would you rate it?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, from 1 to 10, I'd say maybe a 3 because there is some great stuff to buy. Like, I'll show you that. Like, Fishy showed you all these great stuff to buy, and basically, it's pretty good stuff to buy. But I mean, it's not much of a party, so I'd say we should check out Bittersweet's Bittersweet should be better.
Yeah. This is Fishy Productions
And Golden Bird Games.
and we are out.